Have you ever wondered if AI-generated code or no-code tools can replace developers? With platforms like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and Bubble taking the spotlight, the coding world is shifting. But is it all sunshine and shortcuts? Let's find out. AI tools can write full code snippets, automate repetitive tasks, and even generate entire applications. They save hours, reduce human error, and help beginners bring ideas to life. Sounds perfect, right? Well, not quite. AI can generate buggy or insecure code. It often lacks context, and if you don't understand what's being written, you risk shipping flawed logic. It's a tool, not a replacement for understanding programming fundamentals. No-code and low-code platforms like Bubble, Glide, and Adalo are booming. They empower non-tech users to build apps quickly. But they come with limitations: lack of customization, vendor lock-in performance issues, debugging nightmares, and when you scale, these tools often can't keep up. So how do you balance speed and scalability? Learn the basics of coding, even if you're using AI or no-code tools. Use AI for prototyping, not production. Always review and refine its output. For no-code apps, design with scalability in mind. Choose platforms with API access and export options. Mix and match. Combine no-code front-ends with custom-coded back-ends using tools like Firebase or Supabase. AI and no-code are powerful if used wisely. Don't rely blindly. Understand what's under the hood, and you'll unlock their true potential. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech truths in 3 minutes or less.